Uh, Good evening, Varsha. Good evening. Yeah. How are you? Please come to a place where you have good signal because voice is breaking. Please
I
come.
can go outside because my voice.
No. Now it was good. Where are you now? At this place, I think you can continue. Is it
Sir, am
okay?
I audible right now?
Now it is okay. Fine. Yeah, this is good. If this is there, this is that will be sufficient. Good. Good evening. Your interview is on which date?
9th.
Hello.
Sir, 9th. 9th. So my
Ninth,
interview is on 9th.
ninth only. Very good. By that time, I think your internet should improve. Doesn't
But it's on offline, right?
you don't want it to be recorded? Hello.
No, sir. The real interview is in offline, right?
Yeah. Real interview is an offline. No problem. That is true. Good. So that will not affect you because you will have to go in person. You are going to have interview in which city?
Kottayam.
Very good. Excellent. Kottayam. Now, please tell about yourself briefly. Every time, because the questions will depend on the answers you give only. Please continue.
Sir, my name is Varsha Venugopal. I am from Pathanamthitta, Kerala, and I have completed my post-graduation in physics in 2019, and I belong to a four-member family, including father, mother, and an elder brother.
Yeah. What is your father?
He is retired from. He was a government employee. He was a policeman, and he retired from that.
Yeah. Okay. What is your brother?
He is studying also for government exams, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Which year did you complete your post-graduation?
2019.
2019.
Yes, sir.
Post-graduation in which subject?
Physics.
Physics. Okay. That's right. Now, good. So what are the other exams you have attempted for?
I have attempted PSC exams of Kerala and uh, and other exams like railway. I have attended railway exams also.
Oh, very good. But I think in almost all those things, the results will come very late, you know.
Yes, sir. Very late.
Very late. There is a problem. Good. You studied physics. Are you in touch with physics nowadays? How are you keeping yourself?
No, sir.
No.
I have lost my touch after 2019.
No, but that means, are you in touch with physics or not?
No, sir. I am not in touch with physics right now.
Achha. Is this the first time you are taking my mock interview?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason. See, you need to be thorough with some physics also to some extent, and at least tell them that you are in the know of things. However, whether you tell this or not, they are going to ask the questions they have in mind. Simple questions.
Okay, sir.
So please
Okay,
go through google.com, search physics related interview questions.
Okay, sir.
And get to know basic things like, say, Archimedes principle, Boyle's law, then mechanics, then say
Newton's laws.
Newton's law, first law, second law, third law. Likewise, basic things you must know.
Okay, sir.
And what is friction? What something like that? I don't know. Whatever questions are relevant,
Okay.
you must update yourself. Varsha, you are a very regular candidate of my class, but why are you in English class? Na? Correct. Yeah. But
I'm also in other class, sir.
Yeah,
But
you
mostly
are.
I am using the recording because my data would be exhausted by that time at 9 o'clock. So,
That is the reason. It's okay. Doesn't matter.
yes, sir.
Now, can you tell us what are your strengths? Varsha, in what way are you a suitable person for this bank post?
Sir, I'm a hard worker and loyal employee, and I prefer my work ethics. I I like to meet new people, and I'm an active listener. And also take things in positive manner, and I like to work under stress because I think that it would bring my deliver my work with full potential.
Good. But instead of telling, I would like to work with stress, you can say, I am capable of taking up stress or more responsibilities. There is a difference between this one and that one.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Good,
sir.
good, good, good. Now, what did you learn from your parents?
I learned from my father that we need to be calm and quiet on every situation so that you won't get disturbed by anything external factors. And but from my mother, she taught me about multitasking and she about the value of sacrifice and ethics.
Acha. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me whether multitasking is required in bank job?
Yes, sir, it is required in bank job because banking is a sector that is moving fast than any other sector. So you need to do a lot of work. You need to do things to complete the target. So multitasking is required there.
Yeah, but you can also say that we come into contact with customers, and while dealing with customers, there has to be multitasking, and we need to keep track of what we are doing and get things done in a sequential manner based on its priority. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay,
good,
sir.
very good, very good. So, what did you study for this interview?
Sir, I have gone through the Federal Bank details about the Federal Bank, uh, like the profit and the values of the first quarter that came in June 30.
Mhm. So, this information from where did you get?
Sir, you have sent me that video of
No, no,
discussing
no,
that
no,
video.
no. Imagine this is real interview. You have to
Okay, sir.
say, I learned it
I
from
got,
press release.
yes, sir.
You imagine I am from Federal Bank and answer questions accordingly.
I got it from the press release in the website of Federal Bank.
Excellent. Good. That means you have been going through the website thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
Very good. How many branches do we have?
1291.
Very good. Then how many ATMs are there with us?
1860
ATMs and cash recyclers also.
cash. Yes, sir.
Yeah, how many happy customers are there with us?
I don't know about that, sir.
1.27 lakh.
Okay, sir.
This is there in the website only. Yeah.
I saw it in that website, but I forgot about the number, sir.
Who is Feddi? Have you met Mr. Feddi?
It is the artificial intelligence supporting of Federal Bank website that we can see in when we visit the website.
Yeah, it's a chat bot.
Yes, sir.
A chat bot. You are a physics student. So you must be able to find out what is chatbot. I don't know. Though I have been talking about this for quite so many days, I don't know what is a chat bot. Chatbot.
I'm not sure about that,
Yeah,
sir.
matlab, what is the meaning of that? Chatbot. A chatbot is a software that stimulates human life conversations with users via text messages on its chat. I am giving you the link of this in our Federal Bank group.
Okay, sir.
This is coming under chatbot.com. What is chatbot? Like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. So why should we know all these silly things? Why should we know?
Sir, is that a question?
Why should we know all these things? Like what is chatbot, what is the Federal Bank, and all these
Because we are
details.
digitalizing, everything is digitalizing as we move forward. So we need to know these terms because we would be
Because banking is getting computerized and digitalized, and hence there is need for us to be familiar with these terms. Okay.
these terms, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is there anybody working abroad from your family or known people, or say from your close relatives, uncle, aunt, somebody is
No, sir.
residing? No, nobody is residing
No.
abroad.
No, sir.
Oh, good. What are your hobbies?
I like drawing. Even though I'm not a fast reader, I like reading.
You read what?
I read every kind of book, sir. Book that I get.
This is not the answer. The answer has to be something specific. What do you read? Do you read Tamil books? Do you read Kannada
Sir,
books?
I read English book and Malayalam books, and especially I like history books.
Good. And you can also mention, I read Malayalam magazines like so-and-so. I read English books like the so-and-so, novels like this, and books on history like this. That is how you have to mention clearly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay, sir.
you like history?
Yeah, sir, I am interested to read history of India.
Acha, acha. Good. That is really good. What is the advantage of reading about history and all?
We would be able to know what our ancestors had gone through and how we came to this form, because a lot of people fight for our freedom, and that's how our nation was built like this. So we'll be able to know that.
Acha. When I go through Federal Bank website just now, I find there has been a meeting today at 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time, wherein Federal Bank 91st annual general meeting that is being streamed live on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter also. Did you go through that? No.
No, sir, I didn't.
Yeah, I am also seeing it for the first time. We must go through that also so that we can know something about us, about Federal Bank. Yeah, good.
Okay, sir.
Now,
At 11 p.m. Sir.
yeah, now tell me 11 a.m. It is already over. I think it must have come in YouTube by now or Facebook by now.
Okay, sir.
Varsha, can you tell me what is the job role of a bank officer?
Banking is basically which is
You have been doing it right from first day. Why are you doing like this in spite of your attending my spoken English class? Why are you behaving, uttering like this? There is nothing
sir,
wrong. Nothing wrong. But you know,
one thing is I'm a little nervous, and
this type of expressions are shown only by nervous people and people who will be given low marks by the interviewers. You see, you have been seeing me for 1.5 months, right from June 15th, you are seeing me. Yes or no?
yes.
Then why? What is the question of fear? And you have been seeing all types of
Sir, this
boys.
is my very first interview in my life, so
Then it is okay. Then it is okay. I will agree with you. So what is the question I asked you?
what is the role of bank
Bank officer.
officer?
Yeah, come.
So when the customers come to the bank officer need to provide quality service to them. They need to be politely welcome these people with a smile, and would ask about their queries, and would listen to them carefully, and would give them the better assistance to them without being late.
Mm. No, but you did not. Did you go through that Federal Bank, say campus recruitment brochure I gave you?
Sir, I went about once.
Why only once? You must go.
Remembering right.
This is a definite question. This is a definite question. What is the job role? If that is not there, some other form it will be asked, and you must use this expression. So please go through that job role. You must go through the say what is that? That is campus recruitment brochure. There they are telling most importantly acquisition of customers, acquisition of new customers. Not only that, canvassing for various types of schemes. Besides other aspects like interaction with customers, interaction with staff members, interaction with bosses and all that. You please go through that thoroughly and master yourself. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Today I will ask you in the English class also. You must speak this, your job role only, you must tell me. Now next point. Please tell me any important news reports you have read in the last 2-3 days.
The important news that I have came across is the depreciation of rupee that happened, and how it happened. It was in the editorial page.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Then
that is important news that
only
I'm
one.
remembering, sir.
Only one. See, Varsha,
No, sir,
you know you are going to attend this mock interview, and why could you not have studied yesterday's newspaper, day before yesterday's newspaper, today's newspaper? Luckily, you are having interview only at 4 o'clock, 4:30. You could have revised today's morning news. Not only that, you could have gone to current live news in Asia Net and get to know the current news also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please do that every day hereafter whenever you come for interview or class.
Okay, sir.
That will be very helpful. Good. Now, tell me the happiest day you have had so far.
The happiest day so far is I got a letter from Sachin Tendulkar. So I was so excited on that day. It was my happiest day because I didn't expect a letter from him. And when I got it, I was so surprised, sir.
What was your age then?
I was in 12th standard.
Oh, great. Good. That is right. Now, what is the, see, this point you are not able to answer. Important news. See, you must, when I read newspaper, you must analyze from this angle about state news, about country news, about economy, including banking, business, like that. I am giving every day current affairs snippets. How many days did you go through that? Tell me.
Sir, a few days, 2 or 3 days only.
They're very bad. So this is not sufficient. Anyhow, best wishes. Since this is first interview, I am leaving you. You must try to learn still better and utilize every opportunity to talk with confidence, like without saying and all that, because
Okay, sir.
you are our spoken English class student also. So you must talk confidently.
Okay, sir.
Good. Please wait. You can join with Karthika also. Karthika, your interview is on which date? Karthika?
Date is not yet come, sir.
Date has
Waiting
not
for
come.
the date.
Oh, you are
Till now,
lucky.
it's not yet.
You are lucky, lucky. Good. What is your, shall we start your interview? Karthika, yeah.
Sir,
Is it okay to start now?
okay, sir. Good
Good.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Welcome, Karthika. Is this the first interview you are having with me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great, great. You are from which city?
Sir, I'm from Perinjanam, a small village in Thrissur district of Kerala, sir.
Oh, good, good. Thrissur district. Thrissur district. Yeah. There are a lot of students, my candidates from Thrissur in South Indian Bank, Federal Bank, and all that. Good. What is the degree you can you tell about yourself briefly?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Karthika. I'm from Perinjanam, a small village in Thrissur district of Kerala. I completed my post-graduation in finance, in commerce with specialization in finance from Sri Narayana College, Natika, and my bachelor's degree from MES Asmavi College, Pempalur, and I also done diploma in professional diploma in computerized financial accounting. My family is a nuclear family. It consists of my mother, my sister, and my grandmother. My mother was a teacher, and my sister is pursuing her CMA. My father passed away 2 years before. And my strength is I'm a hardworking and self-motivated person who like enjoys doing challenging tasks and a good team player too.
Good. Very good. You are talking confidently. That's possibly because you have studied MBA, correct?
So MCOM, sir.
MCOM only, acha.
Yes.
MCOM specialization in what? You said something.
In finance, sir. Finance.
Oh, Baba, finance. Excellent. You'll have lot of questions to ask and you must face them. Good. When did you pass your MCOM?
It's 2020, sir. 2020.
Since then, what are you doing?
Sir, I have been preparing for the bank examinations for the past 2 years, sir.
Have you ever passed any preliminary examination?
Yes, I passed one preliminary examination, but I couldn't pass the main six, sir.
It was
And
clerical
this
or officers?
examination it is officer post, sir.
Oh, acha. Good.
Officer.
So, how many marks did you score less in the main exam?
Sir, I don't remember it correctly.
It's okay, fine, no problem. Now tell me, you are a finance girl. Please tell me what makes you think you are very suitable for this Federal Bank officer's post?
Yeah, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Already I mentioned I'm from a finance background, so we are already familiar with the banking terms. So it will be easy for us to learn the things in the banking because we have already know over the things in the banking.
Trishur girl, please
And
come up,
also,
go to
we
balcony in your
are
house.
studying a book on banking in our
Hello,
graduation and post graduation also.
hello. Please go to balcony where you get very good signal.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. I will switch off my video, or you can
Okay.
also switch off your video because the reason is bandwidth required may be more. Now it will come out very well. Yeah, Karthika. Yeah. Okay. Now tell me the job role of a probationary officer of a bank in Federal Bank. Yeah.
Sir, 1 second. Let me go out.
Please tell me. Yeah. So you're going out. Yeah, you can go with the phone only. But this Kerala somehow, because of this rain, lot of tension in other parts of the
Sir,
country.
am I audible, sir?
Now it is very fine. It's very fine. You have come to balcony or outside your house?
Outside, not outside, but in dining hall.
Very good, very
It's
good. That's really,
laptop, sir. I can't put my laptop
so
outside.
it's okay, fine, absolutely no issue. Correct, correct, first class. Now, what is the job role of a bank officer in Federal Bank?
Sir, the main job role is customer acquisition and also dealing with the front-end customers, both internal and external customers, and also have to assist my team members for achieving their targets. Also helping in assisting in achieving the branch targets. Also, I have to go personally to the customers for ensuring that they are delightful for our bank. And these are the main responsibilities of a probationary officer in Federal Bank.
Good. Which bank do you have an account?
I have account in SBI, sir, State Bank of India.
Achha. Who is the chairman of State Bank of India? Dinesh Kumar Karra. Dinesh Kumar
Dinesh
Karra.
Kumar Kara, sir.
Yeah. Who is
Yes,
the
sir.
MD and CEO of Federal Bank?
Sir, Shyam Srinivasan, sir.
Very good. Mr. Shyam Srinivasan. Since when you are following our channel?
Sir?
Since when you are following?
Amboshivan sir's channel.
Yeah.
It's from my GD, sir. I think
Very
when you were
good.
second class, I attended it.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very yeah. What was your father? What was he when he was doing? Yeah.
He was a businessman, sir.
Achha.
First, he was an outside that's in Dubai. Then after he came to our homeland and started a business.
What was the business he was doing?
A bakery, sir. He was running a bakery.
Bakery. Oh, that
Yes.
means you like cake and all very much. Cake, then bun,
Yes,
bread,
sir.
and all that. Yeah. Now who is running that bakery?
Now it's closed, sir.
It is closed. Achha. How many brothers you have? You said.
No, I have sister, sir. One sister. She's pursuing a CMA. My younger sister.
Younger sister. CMA means what?
Cost management accounting.
Oh,
CMA.
cost management accounting. Good. That's right. Then why did you not try for chartered accountant and all that? Normally, commerce.
Sir, my interest.
Your interest was not that. Yeah. How
No,
many
sir.
marks?
I was interested in banking.
How many marks did you score in your commerce?
In postgraduate, 80%, sir.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what is a balance sheet?
Balance sheet is a financial statement of assets and liabilities for a specific date. It shows the assets liabilities of a company or bank for a specific date.
So, what are the various items that will appear under liability side of a balance sheet?
Liability side includes creditors, capital, accounts payable, current asset.
I am asking liability side.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then creditors, sir. Creditors, it's in liability side of
No,
balance sheet.
you can segregate and say like this: capital, then reserves, profit, followed by long-term liabilities, short-term liabilities.
Short-term liabilities.
Yeah.
Okay.
And any contra liability, like liability on guarantee issued, liability on some other services. But mainly if you say and sundry creditors. So what are sundry creditors?
The persons to whom we have to pay, or
for what? There is a special. There is a difference. There is a see, bank is also a creditor when they give money to the trader. Similarly, there are other people known as sundry creditors. So what is the difference between these two? Sundry creditors, who are they? Sundry creditors, sundry debtors, like that. Sundry creditors, who are they? You must have studied in commerce. Sundry creditors are those people from whom we are purchasing raw material.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Raw materials and other services from others on credit basis. We don't buy always on cash basis. We purchase on credit basis. So those people are known as sundry creditors. Okay, good. Now
Yes.
tell me, what are the things that will come under asset side?
Assets in asset side, it consists of current asset, non-current asset, long-term asset or short-term assets, sundry debtors.
Good. Sundry debtors. Who are sundry debtors?
Sundry debtors are the persons whom they have to be paid to us. In the, we have given to them in
sundry debtors are our customers who have taken goods from us on credit. You are a commerce student. You are an MCOM student. I expect it in very clear terms. Yeah. Who are sundry debtors? Tell me.
Sundry debtors are our customers who have taken goods from us on credit basis.
Very good. Good. Say, in your house, do you purchase goods on credit basis or cash basis?
Cash basis, sir.
Very good. Then have you heard of the term credit card and debit card? What are they?
In a credit card is a card in which we can take a loan without having any balance in our account. We can take more, but in debit card we can withdraw only from our balance, and in credit card there is a limit which we can take amount. And in credit card they will also charge for it if after a limit.
What is the interest normally they charge for credit card? Normally. Is it, I will just give a clue for you. Is it 1% per month or 2% per month or 3% per month or 4% per month or 5% per month? Which is the correct answer? Roughly. It is
3%, sir.
Yeah, 3%. It is 3% per month. How did you guess this?
Approximately.
Just in middle. It's okay, fine. That's good. See, sometimes you may be coming across questions like this where you may not be able to answer, but still you should not feel bad about it. You are not going to be judged by one question, but overall, what type of a person are you? Are you having the confidence to talk to people, convince others and all that? Now, this is the pen. Are you able to see the pen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come on. You are having hundreds of pens like this manufactured in your factory. You are the sales representative who is going to an office, say like a head office of a bank, so head office of an insurance company. You are visiting that place and you are going to canvas for selling this in large numbers. Please try.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. This is our new product, and this is our new product of a company, sir. Its name is Cello Pen, and it has have got many good features, like it is easy to write, and it is very very easy to handle, like a very soft pen, and it is also not a very width and also very nicer, and also it will not smudge. If it a waterproof pen, our pen is a waterproof, and if you purchase it bulk, definitely we will give it on discount, sir. It is in a price which is less than market price. It can be available from less than market price, sir, and it is also a it offers many other features like good point pen, and it is a variety of colors. It can be available if it our company can customize the brand to use that in your company's name. We can customize the products as per what logo, or if you want to put any logo and all, we will customize it as per your requirements.
Good, good. Okay, but then you practice it in your home, sitting before a mirror. You start selling this cell phone, you start selling this phone, okay, and you start selling bank products, auto loan, home loan, and all that. Then automatically you will come to know how to communicate more effectively. You did it nicely, but you said, if you buy in bulk, I will give discounts. Instead, you could have told, for bulk purchases, we offer a discount. There is a difference. There is a difference in talking sweetly, good. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking and helping my mother in dairy farming, sir.
Dairy farming, acha. You have cows
Yes,
in your
sir.
house? You have cows in
Yes,
your house?
yes.
How many cows?
Yes, sir.
How
We
many?
have 4 cows, sir,
Excellent. What is the
and
name of
one
the
child.
what is the name of the cows? You have not named them.
Name?
You
Yes,
must
yes.
name them. You must name the cows. Nowadays, people name even the dogs. Why not we name the cows? They are giving us milk. They are
Yes,
giving us.
sir. For 1 or 2 cows we have named. After that, no, sir.
Why? Now, how will
No,
you
sir.
how will you
2 cows are
differentiate
its
the
name.
how will you differentiate the 4 cows? Karipu made, vella made, blue made, like that. How do you differentiate? No,
Sir,
today evening you go near one of the cows and say, cow, your name is this. I like you by this name. So she will feel very happy. I'm just telling us,
okay, sir.
not as a very serious thing, as a joke. Just try. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you help your mother in dairy farming also. So what do you do with the extra
Yes,
milk you get from house? Do you supply your neighbors?
yes. We gave it in our cooperative society, sir, and also
Excellent.
local areas.
Excellent. That's good. Cooperative society means they will pay once in a month or
Mil
once in a week. Yeah. That way it is good.
Yes, yes, sir.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
What are the uses to which milk can be put into?
Uh, like products, sir. Are
Hmm,
you asking for?
hmm,
Yes, sir. Milk is an important ingredient in many of the products, like making sweets, make like chocolates. Then we can make curd. Then also milk. With milk, we can make shake, many cool drinks,
hmm.
and milk. Even soaps we are
Good, good.
using.
But you could have
Yes, sir.
started with, say, milk can be taken as it is. It can be used with tea, coffee. Then for curd, like that you go, and then you go into sweets also. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Good, you told nicely. The one plus point is that you are not getting worked up. You are talking with confidence. So how did you develop this communication skill?
Sir, I used to participate in debates and like conferences, and also in my post graduation days I used to participate in these conferences, paper presentations and international conferences and all, so it helped me in developing it.
Excellent, very good. Which newspaper are you reading? Which newspaper?
Hindu, sir.
Hindu.
Hindu and Malayalam newspaper.
Anytime this will come to an end. This is only first interview for you. You did well. You did well.
Okay, sir.
Now, tell me, how would you like to be called by one word?
um One word, extraordinary, sir.
Good. How would you like to be known by one sentence?
um
Anyhow,